The attorney.
Yep.
Okay, so as far as like asset forfeiture documents, I'm sure the comptroller's office.
I'm not gonna have that. But
the comptroller's office doesn't have that.
I'm saying I'm not gonna have
Okay.
asset forfeiture, please.
Oh, okay.
Please don't come on the property. You'll be considered trespass.
Today, I'm at the Nassau County Government Building in New York. I came here to file a FOIL request. This is a public building, yet they tried to stop me from recording and even called the police. I'm not breaking any laws, just exercising my rights.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I have 3 separate FOIL requests here that I wanted to submit to the county.
I believe you have to submit online.
No, you can submit them in person
Okay,
as per the statute.
I'm not taking care of that one.
Okay, yeah, sure. If you could find out for me, that would be great. Thank you. We have plenty of friendly reminders that the government is always watching us, even though it always seems to be an issue. Excuse me, ma'am? I'm just trying to conduct some business here, ma'am. Can you help me with FOIL requests? Hey, how are you, sir? I got 3 different FOIL requests here. Just wanted to submit them with your office. One's for asset forfeiture documents. Okay. That one that you're looking at there.
I'll acknowledge them. That's not a problem. And then I'll let you know.
Okay. Is there any way you can give me like a receipt, a copy? Yeah, stamped copy, please. My FOIL requests seem to go missing sometimes, so I just want to have some evidence that you received them.
Do you have your email and stuff on you?
Yeah, all my contact information is on the bottom of each request. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. We have an unconstitutional sign here: photography or video audio recording prohibited. We all know that is not the case. It's not a law. It's their policy because they hate transparency. That's what it comes down to. Yes, I'm recording.
You're not allowed to film anything.
Who are you, ma'am?
See over there?
What does it say there?
Just read that.
Authorized personnel only?
Yes.
Use of video recording photographs are strictly prohibited.
Yes.
Right? Is that a law?
We have all the confidential documents here, and we don't want any confidential.
Do you have them just laying around where people could see them?
Yes.
You have them? You have confidential documents laying around where people could see them?
We have them at everybody's desk. When we are handling documents, if you're filming it, we don't know if you're...
But what if I could see it and write it down?
That's why we don't want you to film it.
So
please
but if I could see it, I could write it down, right, ma'am?
Please refrain from filming.
I'm not going to, ma'am.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
So, you need 5 days.
Okay, do you handle the FOIL requests?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you like a FOIL officer for Nassau County?
You came last time I wasn't here.
Oh, yeah, unfortunate. I wasn't, yeah, you weren't here. Okay, sounds good, thank you. And if it's different departments, do you
That's
just...
the thing, a majority of it is,
Right.
but let me review all of them. I'll get back to you next couple of days.
Okay, but you could reach out to those departments and
I can forward it to them.
forward it to them?
Yeah,
Oh, so you don't handle the request for all...
Just Nassau County.
Just Nassau. But wouldn't the police department's records or
Has their
the...
own one, and we all answer to the county attorney.
To the county attorney?
Yep.
Okay, so as far as like asset forfeiture documents, I'm sure the comptroller's
I'm
office...
not gonna have that, but...
The comptroller's office doesn't have that?
I'm saying I'm not gonna have
Okay.
that. Asset forfeiture, please.
Right. But I would assume that, that money's being kept track of from the comptroller for Nassau County, right? Okay. All right. Thanks. I will. Thank you. I appreciate your time today. Thank you, sir. So the comptroller's office is on the 2nd floor. The office of the comptroller, Elaine Phillips. Hey, sir. How are you? I just had a question for you. I was just at the county clerk, and I was submitting a FOIL request for the financial documents for Nassau County Police Department's Asset Forfeiture Fund. And I wanted to know, does this office keep those records for the Asset Forfeiture Fund?
I'm not sure about that. Maybe that's the sheriff's, but
yeah, it's for the Nassau County Police Department, not the sheriff's, but it's the Asset Forfeiture Fund.
Okay, well, all the departments that we have on this end, it's like this. I don't know if it revolves around.
See, yeah, it would probably fall under accounting. Is there anywhere I can speak to like a supervisor so I can ask them?
Of accounting or?
Of the comptroller's office, like a supervisor? They're available? Thank you. Understanding Nassau County finances. And just something I'm noticing here. Look at where the majority of the money goes to. Goes directly to Police Commissioner Patrick Psycho Ryder, Law Enforcement and Safety. Absolutely insane.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? I just had a quick question for you. I submitted a FOIL request downstairs with the clerk's office, and I submitted it with for the asset forfeiture fund financial documents. Is that something that your office here at the comptroller's office would have possession of? The asset forfeiture fund?
I don't know. But did you submit it electronically? The FOIL request?
No, I submitted it in person, and I
Okay,
got
I
a stamp.
didn't even know that they accept them in person.
Right.
So I know, like, through our department, you have to submit the FOIL request through an online form that we have. I mean, I think you can probably mail it in as well.
Right.
But we have a specific one in our office.
Right.
So I don't know if it's like transferable within.
Well,
departments.
no, it's the FOIL request, the Freedom of Information Law for New York.
Yeah, I know what it is. I just didn't know.
Right.
If,
It's just generalized of all public offices. So it's not. It's just you need your name, your address. And
Right.
things of that
I'm just
nature.
saying we have one that people submit directly to us if they're
Right.
requesting information from our department. So I don't know if like the clerk's office would send that to us if it's something we have to do, or you have to submit it directly to us. I know that to my knowledge, is if you're requesting information from our office, you have to submit your FOIL request to us directly. Okay. So I don't know if whatever you submitted with them, like I said, is transferable to us.
Right.
But if you want, I can give you the information to submit it through our office.
Right.
You had an issue.
I just don't want
to.
to. No. This is. I just submitted it today. It's not that I have an issue with the response or anything like that. You know, I think that it should be transferable because I'm serving it on Nassau County government in general.
Yeah.
And
so,
it's just
sometimes they'll forward it.
Right.
I don't know if that's what's being done
because
here,
you're the
or
ones
if
who
that's
have the
normal
records, right?
But, well, it depends what records you're
exactly.
requesting,
If you have the
yeah.
records, that's why I was just asking if you guys took care of. You guys handle all the accounting for the county and things of that nature, right? Budgets.
Yeah, well, every department has an accounting team, but like we're like the accounting
for the entire county, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So I was just looking. I do audits and stuff like that.
Yeah, we do.
Okay. And just last question for you: is Elaine Phillips? She's an elected official, or is she appointed?
She's elected.
She's elected. Okay. She's the elected comptroller of Nassau County. Okay. Thank you. If I need to send them to you directly, I'll shoot it over via email.
Okay,
if I need to send it over
you can go right to
directly.
our website.
But I'll wait for a response from the county clerk.
Yeah, if you already submitted to them, they'll direct you if it has to go to a different department.
All right, thank you,
They
ma'am.
should.
Appreciate your time. Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
So we have the Division of Land Records here for Nassau County. This is an office that I didn't get to take a tour of last time I was here. Who are you,
This
sir?
is Maureen O'Connell, the county clerk.
Who are you, sir?
You're not allowed to film.
She's the county clerk.
I'm the county clerk.
Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Maureen O'Connell.
And your name, sir?
I'm Francis Becker.
Okay.
Francis Becker?
You're going to have to turn your phone off. I know you have it on right now.
Right,
We don't
that's
allow
correct.
filming because this is that
Public documents?
That damages the material.
Well, you have security cameras everywhere. Does that damage the material?
No, but they're not focused in on page
Right.
by page.
I'm not
Okay.
focusing in on any documents in particular.
we don't permit recording, so I don't understand why you just won't
Submit a
stop and
request. Well,
because-
abide by the rules that everybody else has to
Well,
abide by.
no.
Everybody has to abide by rules. It clearly says out there there's no recording
Right.
permitted.
Well, I understand-
So I'm asking you to turn the camera
I understand,
off
so that's-
politely, and then we got to get the sheriff to come down here.
Sir, I
I'm
understand.
just telling you to please
Sir, if
stop.
you let me speak, I
you
would-
finished speaking.
No, I'm
You're
not.
You're
I'm not
recording.
finished
You're not
speaking.
allowed to.
Sir, what is there unreasonable about recording?
No.
The rule,
It's a rule and a recommendation that everybody abides by except for you right now.
Do rules supersede the law or the Constitution, sir?
Listen, that you can go to court about, okay?
I don't need to.
No, you have to go to
No,
court
I don't.
about it. Yeah, sure you do.
No,
That's
I'm not
if
the
you
one.
have
You're asserting something that's a rule. I'm asserting something that's in the United States Constitution.
You're such a knucklehead, you know, pal.
Why?
You're such a
I mean,
knucklehead.
name calling from a public servant, is that really becoming and professional? Is that why you don't want people recording? Because they can see your true colors, Francis?
It doesn't matter to me, but
Come
it's
on.
the rule.
I mean,
It's a rule in a
name
law.
calling is very professional from a public servant, sir.
You kind of like ours, though.
I kind of like, I am a knucklehead. Okay.
Because you're not being practical by the rules that everybody else has to
Practical?
abide by. Yeah.
I don't think that's what that means.
Yeah.
I don't think practical means that.
Good luck to you, my friend.
Now I'm your friend? I thought I was a knucklehead. Are a bunch of your friends knuckleheads, sir? The utter contempt that our public servants have for transparency in government buildings is unreal. Hi, ma'am. How are you? Ma'am, as the county clerk, I have a question for you. Ma'am? Ma'am, you're the county clerk? I just have a quick question for you, if that's all right.
No, I'm sorry. I'm not available.
You're not available? Ma'am, you're a public servant. I have a question. I don't understand. So, ma'am, just a brief second of your time.
I have to go to the courthouse.
You have to go to the courthouse?
Yes, sir.
But you're the county clerk and I have a question.
You can ask anyone here.
Okay, ma'am. No problem. Enjoy the courthouse. So the public safety officer is actually in violation of the quote-unquote rules as we speak. She is filming in the public document area, not a restricted area. But yet, there's a problem when I do it. Makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Ma'am, do you work for public safety? For Nassau County? Hi, ma'am. How are you? Do you work for Nassau County Public Safety, ma'am? Did the clerks tell you that it is prohibited to record in here? Are law enforcement on the way? So I could speak with them? Okay. She's exercising her right to remain silent, not incriminate herself. Wait for it. Wait for it. Is there a particular reason why you follow me today, ma'am? No? Yes? I'm not a threat to you anyway, ma'am. I'm just taking some pictures and video just like you. You're the one that's following me around. It's kind of, I don't know. I wouldn't follow somebody around. I guess you can. Hey, how are you?
Hey, did you call?
No, I didn't call you guys, no. Excuse me. Excuse me.
No.
No problem. Oh, alright.
You know, did you guys call?
Huh?
Did you guys call?
Somebody called, right? Yes. It was you, right, Frank?
Yes. Thank you, officer. Gentlemen, here are supposed to be reporting in the clerk's office.
Him?
This gentleman continues to report. Obviously, looking for some sort of compensation. And he posts on the internet, but he's not allowed to report. That's the break the rules. He refuses to stop.
You guys have to go.
I think you're gonna get educated today, Frank. Hey guys, you mind if I just get your name and badge number, please?
Sure.
Thank
Officer Galizzi, 4171.
Your name?
Officer Glass, 4757.
My name is Sean.
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh, nothing. I'm just working on a story. I was actually just at the clerk's office submitting some FOIL requests for some asset forfeiture documents and police department stuff. And no, I'm just taking a look around the public documents area here. I'm not in a restricted area or anything. This is public documents.
Right.
Literally public documents.
Okay. How long are you planning on doing this for?
Oh, there's a lot of books here. I'm just taking a look around. Just seeing what's cataloged here.
Okay.
You know, you have all that side and all this side. So, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, something like that, around there.
Yes.
All right.
I'd like to look up the deed.
Yeah, I just want to make it clear. I'm not breaking any laws. I'm not, you know, being disorderly in any way. I'm treating everybody with the same respect I'm treating you. Yeah, he said it was against the law to record in here, so I'm trying to figure out what law that is. I don't know if he knows. Do you know what law that is?
Which one?
You want to look at
This particular point is just, I want to look at the recent.
So it's not a law.
the recent deed. Do you have the second off online?
I'm sure we could find that if we need to do so.
Okay.
You know, but
Well, you probably should do that. I just wanted to go about my business. I'm not trying to, you know, make a big deal about it, but, you know, they called you. I didn't call you. Like I said, I've been treating. My tone has been the same the whole entire time. I'm explaining to them what I'm doing. My name is Sean. I'm an independent journalist. Yeah, just filming the books, right? Just walking around filming the books on all the publicly accessible areas. Just getting a detailed count of the deeds, the mortgages. All the public documents.
What's back that way and what's back that way?
Public documents. Right, and I think the real reason, I don't think it's a law, I think it's so that they can make you pay for copies. I think that's what it is. I think it's like a money grab.
The other people that are in the office here, if he wants to go to court with that, let him do it. But he wants to not abide by the rules that everybody else is supposed to.
Okay. Are those rules put in?
By the way, it's a courtesy too.
Are those rules put in place?
Courtesy.
To make people pay for copies?
It's a courtesy, and he doesn't even want to accept the normal courtesies that we have as human beings with each other. He just wants to do something on his own for whatever the reason may be.
Well, I mean, it's my right, sir. That's why. I've been very polite with you. You called me a knucklehead. It's a right. You don't care about our rights?
Spare me. Spare me. All right? There's a lot of rights being broken around the world, unfortunately. And
so you just want to break one more, right? Not a big deal. He's just taking pictures.
You're just being foolish, my friend.
Okay.
You want to, put something on the internet, make yourself look, I guess, important.
I mean, I didn't tell you to come up to me, sir.
So you're here, did he get these documents from you guys?
No, he's here just to cause trouble, that's it.
He's not really causing trouble, he's just filming. But
he is, because everybody else abides by certain rules, and we, as being respectful to each other.
I'm a mold breaker. I break the mold, sir.
If he has an issue with it, I'm sure if he can go upstairs, and he even might be able to get permission to do this, but he doesn't have to.
Okay.
Right.
So you're going to be here, what?
My position, yeah, something like that. Just going to get some more documents here.
He's not doing any of that.
Yeah.
He's not doing it. Actually, he's kind of loitering.
Right.
He's kind of going up and down the aisles, and maybe, people feel...
Do you know the definition of loitering?
He's just here just...
Do you know what the definition of loitering is, sir?
Oh, please spare me with your nonsense, would you?
I mean...
My grandfather was a congressman. We've been abiding by the law
and by rules. By rules.
But
you abide by rules.
You're pretty...
So your grandfather was a congressman?
Yeah.
I'll look into him.
He's abided by all the rules that other human beings abide by.
Right.
But not you.
Right. I'm a rule breaker.
Even human dignity has rules when you cooperate with each other.
Okay. Why can't you cooperate with me, sir? Why are you being... In taxes. Already.
You don't have an audit?
Yes, sir.
I always watch your videos.
Thank you, sir.
Always.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Yeah, no problem. I still want to keep you guys from any more serious calls, I'm just a man with a camera. You guys know who I am by now.
There's other cops out there on the street.
Okay, good, yeah. Just want to make sure that everybody, that the community is being taken care of. I don't want to take up any resources for a camera, It's just a camera.
Recording in public spaces is a constitutionally protected right. No matter how many unlawful signs they put up, transparency must be defended. Thanks for watching. Share this video if you believe in freedom and civic accountability. Today, we investigate the Hy-Vee distribution center in Iowa for possible food contamination, but things quickly spiral out of control as security confronts us and chaos unfolds in hilarious fashion.
Security. My uterus. It's quivering in the breeze. Oh, shucks.
Afternoon.
Oh, hello.
Can I help you?
Yes, we're conducting an investigation.
What kind of investigation?
Possible contamination. We did get permission to be here to investigate. Huh?
From whom?
We have the permission slip. We did get official permission to investigate the Hy-Vee distribution center. I signed it myself. It's been signed.
There's nobody here by that name.
Really?
Really?
I don't believe this, sir. I don't know if I could buy that. Because we did get permission.
From who?
That signature.
There is nobody here by that name, sir.
All right, I'll admit it. That was me that signed that. But I just want to investigate.
We can't have you filming our property.
But sir, I'm Hornus. Will you help me out?
No.
Will you give me the down low?
No. Sir, I'm going to ask you to leave Hy-Vee property.
But then I can't conduct investigations.
I'm going to ask you to leave Hy-Vee property.
But I'm getting nervous. I didn't go on property, sir. Please, you must understand this.
You're making our employees nervous.
Oh, no, I'm just in a hazmat suit, sir.
My job is their security.
Oh, are you the security guard?
I am a security officer. Yes.
Are you Paul?
We don't have a Paul in security.
Okay. Well, I was told there was a Paul here. Listen, sir, let me tell you something. We're just going to be on a public sidewalk. I mean, I don't want to, if you don't want to let us in to investigate the possible contamination, I mean, can I stand on like the public sidewalk?
As long as you are not making my employees nervous, you're free to be on the public sidewalk.
But do you have a worker named Nellie?
No.
Because Nellie always gets nervous, sir. And I know Nellie works here.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Do not make my people nervous.
Hey.
What's your name?
They call me Billy.
Billy what?
Billy Butt Crack, sir. I'm the best in business. Okay? I would like to say, sir, we have an offer for you. We would like to offer you a baggie with a little Coke in it if you could keep this on the down low. We do have a baggie with a little Coke, sir. Please. Sir, please do not snitch. We need this investigation completed. Please, sir, please. Don't do it, sir. I'm just trying to conduct an investigation. You know, I didn't think that was a crime to conduct investigations. I'm just trying to do what needs to be done. I'm the best in business. Ah, shit, he's gonna back into us. He's gonna turn us into roadkill, road meat. How we doing, sir?
Oh, I'm doing good. No, I'm just curious.
No, we're conducting an investigation. So we did get reports that there is possible contamination throughout the Hy-Vee distribution center. So we're just trying to see if we could be let inside to investigate this ourselves. I'm wearing proper PPE protection. He's an investigator as well. We did get signed permission to be here.
Okay. No, I have nothing.
You have nothing?
No. Sorry. Good luck to you guys.
Well, thank you very much, sir. We appreciate that.
No problem.
Good information, and we'll get it wrote down. And
Yep, that is good information. Great, sir. How are you? You're welcome.
Hey, you guys are welcome to be here. Just so you know.
Oh, okay.
Please don't come on the property. You'll be considered trespassing.
Just trying to investigate the possible contamination you guys got going on here. Hello? Yeah, I'll take some candy. Thank you.
You're a day late.
Well, thank you. That was very kind of you. Thank you very much.
Despite resistance from security and a few snitches, we collected critical evidence and pushed forward with our hilarious yet serious investigation into the truth at Hy-Vee. Whether it's a camera or a simple question, your rights don't disappear in front of a badge. Stay strong, stay respectful, and most of all, stay informed. Subscribe to the channel and help empower others with the truth.